You searched how to buy shares of AIR Industries Group, and this short clip shows a step-by-step example. AIR Industries Group is an aerospace components manufacturer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AIRI, and this guide is educational only, not investment advice. To buy AIRI, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and then add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AIRI to find AIR Industries Group. Make sure you select the NASDAQ stock listing so you are looking at the correct share. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent price movement. Review these details to confirm this is the AIR Industries Group stock you intend to buy. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate. Then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when markets reopen, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to the example eToro platform is provided in the description if you want to view the platform mentioned.